I saw the crowd laughing and mocking as he slowly walked down the street. I saw the Lord carry the cross on his back as he fell many times at their feet. And they beat him and they pierced him till the blood flowed from his side as he slowly turned his face towards me. For the first time I looked in his eyes. I saw the nails tear his flesh as the hammer struck down. I saw the cross being lifted into the air as it fell heavily and to the ground, and the man in the middle with tears in his eyes, he was taking my place as he slowly turned his face towards me. I forgive you. I heard